Medafo, mame ma wakwaba emfa umbra GCN page so meeting at the Adjoa searching. Mr. Subscribe to my channel. Found some ya bell on the so. Ube a notification. And some air for so men will be a ube your BT. And as a ube your share a war GCN page ha. Prince David Osei eye Ghana se ne twenya branti ane ho etwa ye papa. Na Prince e na okase na ne sema okin na ne say Abra slave queens take over this country. Ewo mbribi abesinko ewo abra party bi ewo power no. Eda asem na Ghana fo yetumi ekan a ende ya no aye kokra yentie bebia na his excellency na nado danko ekufado embune eman. Na the entire Prince can say in an say or they and send be to the Instagram page. I am so be a comment or and some nasses on no any dream. I am so a Prince so it to me a cancer assembly. Now for your Bekaya 2020 Abra Babato Aba a woman. Ghana celebrities ni bebre and omo year campaign de ema his excellency na nado danko ekufado and afin so NPP amayokuro na yebeka ya Prince eyobia na odi mutinti manye papa po year campaign de ema his excellency na nado danko ekufado na enya sem ketwa bra na Prince ni reason saude eye campaign ema his excellency na nado danko ekufado me say na nado eye obi obeye president wetumi e the free SHS aba one district, one factory, and a friend Sunapco, or the Abba, youth, to me, and your Jumaya, a month, baby, to me, echo or one, and also to me a day, and in your baby, and his excellence in another down Kufado, a better president from 2016 to 2020, or yeah, it is repair a young Kamian Swa, a Jinaso, and at the amount of baby and a year campaign, a day, Emma, his excellence in another down Kufadria. Yame and Chad the 2020 by a train, another. To me ewini na ensembi ekoso ewo omaimu as say a trending obia ekebi politicians ekebi journalists for ekebi or timem for no obia ni social media handles or the attitude na ensema e trending na say #fix the country and obia ekebi na #fix the country no ekoso ewo abra petrol nebo ekoso anase omode eba se petrol eba be koso asusuan pana omode aba se petrol na ekoso na no na Ghana fo bebre esu se oman mu aye de papapa enti petrol na akoso na nado enhwe na onye bibi emfa ho na tisie lorry fare kwa ni ntuai na eya asem obi wo afoka wo kwa aduma no obekọ beba na che se ebi omo anto ade na lorry fare nsu na asa drivers na aka so omo pa yo mo ni amadada na petrol ne prices ne so akosra abeye ensem bebre ewo mai mu Ghana for ekasa na eno na Prince ede atu ni Instagram page na o che se oman Ghana ye betumi a force politicians no mo affix ye manya unless se yentimem fo ne so no ya fix ya adwen ye change ye mindset and sana because Ghana ha obi opposition pa omo aban ne ede ahye ne nsa obi ho we school okura ne masters why any degree chese wotumu so wa be papa okopa adwuma onkura bribe enya de a omode ebema no obi wo ho a okoto ade be 15 cedis na wabeton de be 100 cedis Ghana ha de ye pe ene ye timbemfo na kasa so ye ni suban enti Prince kire say ye be force politicians no more fix the country unless say yentimemfo no so ya sesa nya adwen na sa ensema Prince enyo no nko a na oka celebrities ni bebre be afia shuras ni gan so de na no atu say yampa se ye be mana politicians no affix o man Ghana e say yankasa so ye din kan access ye ho because timemfo no so enyem bebre wo wa ye ya enye na de ade a Prince ebeto ni Instagram page o kire say ahoya greediness selfishness and tribalism and eku Ghana for na denti na yetisa his excellency ebe presidency enyema bebre na oya enti adenti na esese Ghana for ye kasa ede etia se yen so ye pese na nado fx country ni dia yendin kan ensesa ya adwen ansana politicians no so etumi ayede omo ebe na yenti ensama Prince etro ya enam so people ma comment or say slave queen for take over this country kasa kese edan kese trasako no omotiti Ghana for ye wahe Ghana sika na no omode emomo na nado ono obeye president slave queen bi eni wa wanya trasako 19 wanya slave on 19 enti ye din na adofo yenti ensema Prince ede eto ni Instagram page and I'm so be super my comment is on no enya adrian prince e can asem no e de e tre no o che say Ghana will be better and well fixed if we the citizen fix ourselves first. We are in our sense of HSA. Say no to hate, greedy, selfishness, nonchalant attitude, tribalism, remove, hashtag fix yourself. And then Ghana will be fixed for all to enjoy. Hashtag remove. Is it not the same human beings that work in government and a place of power? Are they not citizens of Ghana? From the church to the Flagstaff house is all corrupt. So let's fix ourselves first. That will translate to fixing our country, Ghana. Amen. Now, Prince, I didn't send a two-way, and I will be super my comment no chance on the Prince and your dream. I want some more can on a Prince HSA and in the Abbey also. When slave queens took over the country and houses, cars were souvenirs to ladies using taxpayers' money. Where were you? In the same way, and a Prince at the Atuja.
Min kola bring be sise sebraha. NTTU forward tradition there. Omujina kwano. Na driver be do no discussion the license no the amount. But you know na the bayana. It is very good that we've all decided to fix the country, but it starts with fixing our mindset and attitude. Ghana, we a member of parliament. Don't care the 1 year. A long serving member of parliament is Honorable H.A. Mensah. A year back, about constituency no one quiet to Obama. Yet to Obama MP say, or make year na. Upebibi, our government agency. Now we need boss now. Forget it. Let's fix our attitude. Oka says kwanwa for triangle see a chain and we and family boom. Fix your attitude. Fix it. We are Juma ECG. Call our customer care center. Yeah, for our womfa. When him say apia, fix your attitude. Fix it. The most hated person in Ghana is the Fiat Schwarzenegger because I say it as it is. And we don't want the truth. We do not want the truth. That is why politicians are taking advantage of us and politicizing everything. Doing so a national problem. And NDC problem, and MPP problem. Galam say a national problem. And NDC problem, and MPP problem. What you say? But no crying painting. You mentioned this MPP and year coba. Minia. So we are what they say won't you bribe. Na me ya ma bin say me ntua bribe. Na kwasi na bin say ntua bribe. Bribe na agi kuro na fa so no. It will end. Fix your attitude. Obi ye born na police chine pe. Na ne maami afa phone. No wa friend P. Honorable. On friend commander. Enti mra enye adwuma wo Ghana. Emra. COVID abeye na me yetete ntasuo.
In the Ghana for woman men is for opportunity said muko 137 MPs nti munko na muko boss adengu na manko tell man that you abenet emu awuram because on what dey na see ntia sa 3 MPs ranko ma yakoto abenet ayi na chese sa na ebeko nti say dey Japan so ba eno so yanko from etefie ma mako puchi di azim na o puchi di famu puchi di famu a wo bere na wakoye campaign 2024 say nkofo dey Japan bad deal buy wo bere na wakoye campaign say taxes from the Ghana for the body and the pandemic radio station bi no mu interview one of MP no see tax no dey say massa dey am oye mo ye o radio so anasa mo ko parliament akoka tie akoto abeti say yes tax in Ghana for nji na makwa akotra me aso to the table enti opening asem dey edin madam ka say details in my because me nim say oye ne be say si party no bi man kan na me boa as a matter of fact oye ne be say say first one is you ye kunto kwakwa ye nkunwie na so asa akoto fufu a na so ni party man ko me ato aba na say dey jai
so how it started what me started
you do understand issue afina abanti asa afina ebe sati abobodi aba but me dey na ye kan no nkofon ka to ya no mo so na mpiso we are not there for MP who told you that say grassroots political grassroots no who be the president who hear o man say no wedi ntem wan say man fo nye post ko tran na mo so grassroots say ye ko prime minister me tie yi say ye grassroots na to abeti am say come MP I didn't get opportunity to do contest as a parliamentary candidate in my constituency because of my grassroots. Mani na blame ni so dey be am the mom then no musam no because MPP who say MPP ya suspend obi ma wa be chen radio so kasa che obi da etie party da e bi nsi ya suspend the comedy because MPP before you be more that opportunity they make sure so we a loyal person to the party why your party no match and so they support na. So that is why you see that MPP will suspend people and they will not talk. By NDC, Obi ban